Tailor-made for content creators, the Creator P50 is sleek, compact and reliable. Despite its tiny size, finalizing your creative projects still goes swiftly thanks to the latest Intel Core processor and RTX graphics. The P50 models are also highly optimized for multitasking, and together with a fast and improved DDR4 RAM, real-time previews are now happening instantly. It also has fast read and write speeds due to the PCIe M.2 SSD. Benefit from the 2.5G LAN connection, which makes transfer and backup speed for NAS faster than before. And together with Thunderbolt 4, you're set with the fastest data transfer connections available. There is even the latest fast and steady Wi-Fi 6E on board. The P50 comes with a separate airflow feature to make sure the system stays silent and cool during high workloads, especially for its compact size. The dedicated MSI center optimizes the overall performance even more by fine-tuning and prioritizing tasks, giving you detailed control over your system. Professional-grade audio is on board with the Audio Boost, a dedicated HD audio processor providing a detailed and crystal clear sound. There's even a noise-cancelling sound tune feature for in- and outgoing audio. The P50 comes with different configurations, and for more information please check out the product page, and thanks for watching.